So till now we have learned almost all tags that we use for creating website. Now we will learn that how we can format our website in proper way. Basically in this website you can see that this is properly formatted. In this website, this is the header. The whole page that you are seeing now, this is header of the website. And in this header, this is the navigation bar. This logo and these texts from which you can go to different pages. This is navigation. This is called navigation of the website. And the whole page that you are seeing now, this is header. So basically in header, we need to create this navigation. And after this header, the main website is starting from here, from this white background. The main website is starting. So basically this is the header and this is the main website. The all things that are containing this is the main section, and at the end this is the footer, and these icons and made by Stoic developer, this is called footer. So basically our website has three sections: header, the main, and footer. This is the footer. And in header we have to create navigation. We can see that here is different sections, like this is about section, this is our courses section, this section that has white background, this is a whole section, and we can call it about section. This is our courses section, this is our project section, and this is our services section, and this is the another card that we have created, so we can call this also a section. So by this way we have to format our website. So if we format our website in this way, then it will easy for our browser to understand that how our website is, what content is in our website. And formatting our website will also help us to rank our website in Google and in other search engines also. So now let's learn that how we can format our website in a proper structure. So basically this is our website code. So for now let's create dummy data for our website. First we will create header, and in this header we need to pass navigation. So we will create navigation. So here I am just creating dummy data so that I can show you how we can use these all things and format our website. So here this is our header and this is navigation. After that we have the main content. So here I will type main, and in this main we have different sections. So I will create here as 3, and here I will type section 1, and I will copy and paste this section 2, section 3, and after that at the end we have footer. So I will create another heading for footer. So basically this is the format of our website, but now we have just created text. Now I will show you that how we need to format this website. So basically we have already learned about div. What will it do? It will contain other HTML tags. Let's say we want to make these two tags in a group. So for that we can create div tag, and in this tag we can add these two other tags. So basically this is a container, but here we have to add these two things in header. So HTML already provided header HTML tag. So for creating header tag we will create here header. So by this way we can create this header, and in this and in between these two, header opening and header closing tag, we have to pass all data that is in header. Here is no difference on the front end, but it will easy for our browser to understand that where is the header, where are the other sections. So by this way we can format our header. Now this is the all main part. So in HTML there is also a main tag. By this way we can create this main tag, and all things that we want to write in main tag, so we can put all these tags like this way in this main opening and closing tag. So similar to this header tag and main tag, we have footer tag in HTML, and we can create footer tag by this way, and the footer content we will write between these two opening and closing footer tags. So basically now our website is properly formatted. This is the header, this is the main, and this is the footer. So now here you can see that in our website there are three sections. So if we want to separately categorize them also, so for that we can use section tag. This tag is also available in HTML. So if our website have different sections, so we can use section tag. So now we have learned about formatting our website. So now let's use this learning and format our website that we were creating. So basically this is the website that we are developing, and it is very basic now, but we will create this website like this website. So now let's format this website. So now here in the code of this website you can see that this website is not properly formatted yet. So here this is the header part. So let's create header. So as I already told you, there is a header tag in the HTML. So we have to put this whole header content in between these two opening and closing header tags. Okay. So the header is completed now, and in header we have a navigation. Like in this website, this is the complete header and this is the navigation. So for showing navigation, we have nav tag. So this is the navigation part basically. So we will put this in nav tag. So basically we can create this navigation tag by this way, and then we will put all the navigation content between these two opening and closing nav tag. So now the main part of our website is starting from here. So here we will create the main tag. So from here our main website is starting. So here we will create the main tag, and we will put the all this content in the main tag. So till this line we have the main content. So after this line we will put the main closing tag. So after the main closing tag we have to create footer. So I think we have not created footer yet, so we will type here footer. So for now I have write a simple line in the footer, later we will style. So in the main part we have different sections, so let's categorize them also. So now let's delete this div, and here we will create section, and also we need to paste this closing section tag where this div is closing. So now this our courses section is between these two opening and closing section tags. Here also I think in this header I made a mistake. I think the header is closing here from this line. Yeah, from this line, the after the subscribe button the header is closing, and the main part is starting from here. From the about section is main part starting. So let me put the main here and header here. So now I think this is fine. So this is the header section in which we have added the navigation and the other content that header is containing, and after that the main part is starting. So in main part we have different sections, like our course is about stoic developer. So let me put these all in section tag, and after this about section we already have added the section in our courses, and after our courses we have our project section. So here we also add section, and this is the starting, and also I will delete this closing div tag, and here I will paste a closing section tag. So now our website is properly formatted. At the starting we have header, and in this header we have navigation and the other content, and after the header we have main our website content, and in our main content we have different sections of our website, and after the main content we have footer of our website. So basically by this way we can format our website properly. So now here you can see that there is no difference on the front end, but as I already told you, this is for our browser, so that our browser can better understand our website. So I think that's enough for this HTML course. I have told you all the text that we are using for creating any website, and also I told you how we can use these all tags and learnings to create any website. And later in upcoming videos we will learn CSS also, and then we will style this website and we will make this website like this. Okay, so till then stay tuned. So please like, subscribe and comment if you have any doubt, and also follow us on Twitter and join our Telegram channel.